Welcome to the first video of the week. For this one, we're looking at PHUN and today's action because look at it and you will see it is down by about 10.7% on the trading day. And so far in after hours, which has literally just begun, it is looking green, but overall you can see it is down on the day. So it's fallen by about 10.7%, like I said, coming down to the $3 range right now. We're asking the question of what does this mean for the stock going forwards, and we are doing a technical analysis on this company as well. If it sounds like a good video, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. But do remember, of course, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This is an extremely risky stock, and I want you guys to be completely informed as to the risk that it does carry. So do your own research and you should be fine, but only invest what you are willing to lose because it can move down just as quickly as it can move up. Now, on top of that, we are also doing a fundraiser for Save the Children. If you can donate anything, 100% of the funds do go towards Save the Children. So far, we've managed to raise $260. Let's try get up to $300 as soon as possible. It's only going to take one more $40 donation. Thank you guys for all the support so far. We're trying to make a positive difference going forwards into Christmas. So again, keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, but now we're going to jump in. So where we are on the day, you will see one thing is very clear. We're seeing a very similar trend to what we have seen in the past couple of days with this stock. We are seeing a big drop at open coming into about 12 o'clock, and then from there we're seeing this consolidation slash small move down towards the end of the day. So just breaking down the simple trend, you'll see it open up on 429, a drop from there all the way until about 12 o'clock, maybe even 12:30, which took us to our lows of the day down at the 377 range. Now from there we had a little bit of a comeback. We hit our high period up here at the 390 range, you will see, but from there it didn't last and we did start to drop a little bit lower. But this later section of the day was quite flat, as you will notice, and really a lot of the selling that we saw did come in the morning. And on the past 5 day, the trend is now clear. We're seeing that drop continuously. Again, we have seen a day over here on Wednesday where things were looking fairly okay, but it didn't last and we are dropping lower. Now, right now with this stock, it is 50-50 and it always is going to be. Like I did say in our video yesterday where I gave some of my predictions, what we're looking for in this week, hopefully, is a floor with this stock. We're looking to find where it is going to sit comfortably. And because this stock was valued at about $1 previously, it does have a long way to go to reach previous levels. So we just do not know where the floor is going to be. It could be anywhere from this price here at $3.89 all the way down to the $1 mark, maybe even a little bit lower. So what we're trying to do for the next few days is find a floor where this stock can sit comfortably. If we can find a floor above the $2 mark, I think that would be fantastic. But again, it is still uncertain as to where that new level for the stock to sit is going to be. But we'll have to find that out in the next couple of days. And of course, as the charts do move forwards, the technical indicators will tell us about that. So what we're seeing over here on the 1 day chart is clear as well. You're seeing that downtrend come in, but because we have had this flat afternoon again, we're sat almost true to the moving average, so you would expect that because we have had all that time to catch up. The trend on the RSI is at 44, which is really not too bad. Bear in mind 50 is neutral, so this is only 6 points off, and that is also because it has had quite a lot of time to neutralize. And the trend on the MACD for this period is quite flat as well, and again that is because we haven't seen too much towards the end of day. Now on the 5 day chart, one thing is clear here, we're falling a bit lower over time and the moving average has had the time to catch up, but ultimately yeah, this downtrend is very clear right now. It is actually slowing down in momentum, which is a good thing, because when you look from back where we felt, at the beginning of this drop, it was much more significant, but we are still falling, so it's still not great to see. And you'll see that trend that I was speaking about kind of leveling out towards the end of day over here at some points in the past as well. Now come out to the past month chart, and this is where we get all of the data that we need to see. I think a few things are becoming clear here. We're coming out to a level point on the RSI. We're sat on 56, which is only 6 points away from neutral. We were actually at 100 for a small period of time back here. So to see this one come back down to a normal level on the RSI is very good, and the trend on the MACD is actually looking more and more bearish as time goes on. We've seen the candle step down lower and lower and lower, which is definitely a sign of a bearish trend, and now we're having these MACD lines also coming very close to crossing over 2, which means that we are turning into a bearish phase potentially for the stock. Now come over to the moving average, and of course it is going to be well behind where we are right now because it is a 50-day moving average, but is catching up as the share price does fall, and today's volume figure is 26.35 million, and this is compared to both the prior day, which was Friday, at 39 million, and the day before that it was at 58, and come all the way back to the highs here, we're seeing volume figures of 641 million, so it certainly has stepped down from those highs, and again, this is not really a good sign in my opinion. If we want the stock to move upwards, we of course need people to continue buying it, so we need more buy volume to come into the stock. Whether this happens in the next couple of days is going to be crucial, and again, it is going to help us to find that floor ultimately, and that is what we are really looking to see into this week. So what am I expecting for this week? I'm expecting a rocky ride with this stock. I do hope that we can make it into the green by Friday. I want to see 2 green days by Friday, maybe even 1. So Thursday or Friday hopefully will be green, as we do hopefully manage to find that floor for the stock and this new level of support. But because we haven't really been in this price range before, because of how quickly we went up, it is going to be quite hard to determine where the new support level is going to be. But give it time and we will find out. So here comes the verdict. Would I buy this stock right now? It definitely does depend again. Like I always say with this stock, it depends on your risk tolerance. If you're a gambler, if you think it is a good buy, possibly right now you could get in early and make some big profits if it does move upwards. But then the flip side of that argument is, if it continues to move downwards and you want to still buy the stock later on, you could definitely get it at a better price if you just wait out a little bit. For me, if I was looking to buy the stock, I'm not saying that it is a bad buy, I'm just saying that I would not buy it today, because I want to wait and see if we do find that floor going forwards into the rest of the week. If we do not find that floor, that would be quite critical for the stock, and it would be quite a bad thing to be looking at. So hopefully we do find it by the end of the week. But yeah, for that reason, I would just wait to see where the stock does start to stabilise, and I will be keeping you guys updated on my opinion as it does change, but that's just what I would be doing going forwards. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you for watching it. See you all again very soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you'll be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.